Hi guys, it's Sunday in Bosnia and we are out to the Sunday local market. Triznica it is called. I don't know how to say it, but Triznica is the closest I can say. And we are here to shop some things. If you've gone to Delhi, then there's a Sarojini market. It looks like that, or maybe Toshibagh from Pune. So we are just exploring and there's lots of vegetables. So in this market, nobody speaks English and they don't accept cards. So we have to get cash. So we're going to ATM now to get some cash and shop. So our first stop was dry fruit stall, and we bought this fresh dry fruits from here. The uncle is really friendly. The fruits here are so fresh, we really feel like taking everything, but we can't carry everything in the plane. We are just talking on dry fruits here. There's so much dry fruits and fruits. How is the taste? Ambat? Orange. This is a very local fruit from Herzegovina. And I felt like taking it because it didn't have seeds. I don't like orange because it has seeds. This one is so sweet. Normally, orange is so sour I can't eat it, but this one is very good. And I didn't shop any clothes from there because they were really not good quality. Maybe they were good, but not for me. We bought many kitchen items, so very traditional Turkish and Bosnian kitchen items, and also bought some fresh fruits, some more dry fruits, so we're happy about that. You'll see the traditional crockery and kitchen items in my food videos, so follow me there. And they are still some wooden items. So there is Murli. So this was the whole market, and people are just crossing because there's a zebra crossing here. And our car is parked behind this market. Let's keep all the stuff in the car and we go to see the fort. So the fort is just here on the other side of the road. Let's see if we can visit the fort. We just have one more hour and then we have to leave. So until now, I'm happy that today is a sunny day, because yesterday when we were in Croatia, in Plitvice, it was raining so much. I mean, I wanted that to be a little sunny, but it was not. But today is a good day, so we're just taking in the sun. Maybe we eat something traditional now and then time to leave. This castle was also attacked by Germans in the World War, and it was damaged a little, but they've written that not significant damage. And the entry was free, so we will just take a look and maybe leave in next 10 minutes. This is the parking where we parked. It's right in the middle of the city. It is free parking, so you don't have to pay anything. Now the time in Banja Luka is over and it's time to go to the airport. This is the airport of Banja Luka, and the parking right in front of the airport. You can take the shuttle bus to the city. It costs 10 mark. 10 mark is 5 euros, so the conversion is like 1 euro is 2 marks of here. We reached the airport and now is the time to go. It's almost 12:30 here. Our gate closes at 1:30 and the airport is pretty small. You can see behind me. That's pretty much it. We took a car rental also from here. Here you can see this office. There was the car rental and we returned the car back here itself. So the airport is small, everything happens pretty quickly. People are still waiting. I think some of their flight is late or they just came here. Our flight was 40 minutes late when we came. So that's all. While returning the car, he took extra 5 euros from us for cleaning the car, and that's all. He didn't see anything else. That's it. So this was Banja Luka, Bosnia. How do you like this vlog? Did you enjoy it? Just let me know. Trying the food that we bought here, and these puffs, they really taste like Indian puffs, even chicken, vegetarian, spinach, everything. Really delicious, just like Indian. Even the coffee is like Indian coffee with more milk. And there is the runway view. Security done. Now time for passport check and ready to fly. The flight which came last time when we came with the flight, we got down and the next people were just waiting to take it. So it's like a bus in the Europe, just coming and going. There's no cleaning or nothing happened. Just we got down and some the next people took the flight and they went back, I think, to Nuremberg. We are ready to board the flight to Nuremberg and first time it's on time.